Cha Igbo Kwenu. Today, I will be celebrating our Igbo scholars who recently graduated as the overall best in their universities overseas and made Igbo proud on the world stage. Here is Eze Francis of Omonyejiya, who comes from Nsukka local government area in Enugu State. He just graduated as the overall best and excellent international student in the School of Information and Software Engineering at the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China, UESTC. Somebody shout power. Good. Now, what makes his story even more inspiring is that he did not start his academic journey in computer science. He earned his first degree in microbiology from the University of Nigeria and Nsukka UNN before making the bold decision to move into artificial intelligence, that is AI engineering, for his master's degree. Despite changing from microbiology to software engineering, Francis did not just succeed. He became the best international master student in his school. He also received another major honor for recording the highest score in his master's thesis and defense, proving that hard work, determination, and discipline can overcome any challenge. His research focuses on using artificial intelligence to improve healthcare. His work looks at smarter ways to diagnose diseases, help doctors make better decisions, and build intelligent systems that can save lives and improve medical care. Francis did not stop at academics. He also became one of the university's outstanding football players. In just 2 years, he won several team medals and individual awards, showing excellence both in the classroom and on the football field. Speaking about his journey, Francis thanked God, his family, and his mentors for supporting him from the beginning. He described his success as a journey from uncertainty to reality, and said his dream is to use artificial intelligence to make healthcare better and help create a better world for everyone. His achievement is a bold statement that Igbos will continue to excel wherever they find themselves, from education and technology to business, medicine, sports, and innovation. Igbo keep proving that with knowledge, hard work, and determination, there are no limits to what they can achieve. Congratulations to Eze Francis of Omonyejiya for flying the flags of Nsukka, Enugu State, Igbo, and Ali Igbo high on the global stage. Your success is an inspiration to young people everywhere to dream big, work hard, and never be afraid to break new ground. Jide nkije nnam na nkije dị mma. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM. Another brilliant Igbo daughter has made Igbo and Nigeria proud on the international stage. Somebody shout power. Unu tinyere m power na comment section. Tikwara m power ọzọ. Hell, ụmụ Igbo. At just 18 years old, Sandra Onyinyechi Madwekwe, popularly known as Onyi from Imo State, has successfully graduated from the practical nursing program at Northwest College, Canada. Sandra has always been an exceptional student. While she was at Federal Government Girls College, Calabar, she emerged as the best student in both the WAEC and NECO examinations. Her outstanding results earned her admission to study medicine at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, UNN. Today, she has added another major achievement to her impressive record. At only 18 years old, Sandra completed her nursing program in Canada and graduated as one of the youngest students in her class. Her journey shows what is possible through work, discipline, and determination. From being one of Nigeria's brightest secondary school students to earning a professional healthcare qualification in Canada, Sandra has continued to prove that age is never a barrier to success. Her achievement is another shining example of the excellence that Igbo will continue to display across the world. Whether in education, medicine, technology, business, or other professions, Igbos keep making their mark wherever opportunities exist. Sandra's success is not only a personal victory, but also a source of pride for Imo State, Igbo, and Nigeria. She has become an inspiration to young people, showing that with dedication, focus, and hard work, dreams can become reality. Congratulations to Sandra Onyinyechi Madwekwe on this wonderful achievement. May this be the beginning of even greater success in her career and life. In the comment section. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.